All right, so I'm gonna talk to you about hack number one. And hack number one is delinting your rollers, or better yet, find rollers that are lint-free rollers. So today I didn't have a lint-free roller on me. I typically use a Woven Pro, Premier's Woven Pro rollers, which will never leave lints behind. But as you can see on this door, I decided to run with a polyester roller that wasn't lint-free. I'm rolling some Fast Dry oil primer on this door, and it's leaving lints all behind. And now, because it's leaving all those lints behind, I'm going to have to sand my door and sand all those lints off. And there's nothing more annoying than having to do a bunch of sanding that you shouldn't have to do. So hack number one is finding a lint-free roller or delinting your rollers. You can delint them by taking wrapping tape around them or pre-cleaning them. Wrapping tape, unwrapping the tape. I got a video on that, how to delint a roller, but it's always just best practice to use rollers that are lint-free. They may cost you a little bit more, but they're not gonna cause you a nightmare like that. All right, we got hack number two for you, and that is setting your switch plates or outlet covers, screws. Now, we try to pay attention to every little detail in a house, even when we're walking out, vacuuming our footprints out. But one of them is our switch plate screws and outlet screws. We like to actually set our screws. And I don't know how many of you even pay attention to this when you're putting your screw covers back on, your switch plate covers. Do you just randomly have your screws pointing any direction? We like to have them all consistent throughout the house. We like to have them pointing up and down vertically, just like this. So you don't want them crooked. It's every little detail matters. Simple little hack, setting your switch plate screws. Now on a outlet cover, it's kind of the same thing. We're gonna be pointing it up and down vertical. You can have it horizontal. Now, some electricians might have a preference, horizontal or vertical, but either set them all horizontal or set them all vertical. Don't have them crooked. That one is off just a little bit. But we are setting all of ours vertically when we're all done. And make sure you don't scratch your screws or replace them. If the screw heads are scratched, nicked, or dinged, just put new ones on. We always keep new ones in our vehicles if we're missing any or if any of them are scratched up really bad. Simple little hack number two. All right, tip number three is using the right caulking for the right scenario. In this house, we're doing all flat paints on the walls, and Tower Sealants has developed a caulking called Accelerator that you can paint over it immediately if you're spraying, or you can brush over it within 30 minutes. So that in itself is a great benefit. But the big benefit with Accelerator caulking is it was designed to not crack when you're painting flat paints over the top of it. So you can even take and spray flat paint right over the top of Accelerator caulking instantly, and it's not going to crack, or you can brush over it after 30 minutes. It's not going to crack. So all the walls in here, we're caulking all the baseboards, we're caulking all the seams and stuff. We're using Accelerator caulking, so our caulking doesn't crack because everything's flat paint. We got flat on the ceilings, flat on the walls. We've got a semi-gloss on the trim, but everything else is flat. So I'm caulking inside this closet here using Accelerator caulking because they are going to be flat walls. All right, there you have it. 3 professional painting tips or hacks, whatever you want to call them. There you have it. We've got 3 for you. If you've got any tips or tricks you want to share with us right here on Paint Life TV, just leave it down in the comment section below. If these tips or tricks or hacks have helped you, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And we really appreciate the good comments down below. And once again, like we always do say, subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time we come out with a new video. It's free, simple to do. It's never gonna cost you a dime. It never has and never will. And it's just a simple way of help supporting our channel here on Paint Life TV. Out.